Unless you want to get your Amazon influencer account suspended, deactivated, or get all of your videos rejected, then you want to make sure you avoid these common mistakes that many beginners make with the Amazon influencer program. Some of these might be obvious to you, some of them might not, so you want to make sure you watch all of these mistakes so you understand how to set yourself up with the best success with the Amazon influencer program. I myself am making thousands per month with this program, and you can do it too as long as you avoid these common pitfalls. That being said, let's get into the video so you can capitalize on this unique opportunity where you're getting paid to record simple product reviews on Amazon. And as always, if you got value, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it.
All right, guys, so you cannot do these things with the Amazon influencer program unless you want to get suspended, deactivated, or get all of your videos rejected. Now, there are a couple common mistakes that people make, so you want to make sure you take all of these down and don't do them. So the first one is, don't think you can go into Walmart, Target, etc., and just start reviewing products there, because you will get in trouble. Amazon will catch on to this. They have AI tools and stuff like that that will figure out the background is a store. And also they'll hear background noise and stuff like that. So do not go into a Walmart. That is the fastest way to literally get deactivated and suspended. I've had people ask that question before. So the next thing is, do not buy things and return them. This is morally wrong with any other website, and you probably will get banned from the website. But with Amazon, they will definitely ban your buyer account, and then they will probably end up linking it to your influencer account, which will also get you banned. So do not return things from Amazon just to review them. They will catch on pretty quickly if you start doing that. And like I said, it's just morally wrong. And the next thing you don't want to do is you cannot flex your earnings on social media. So it's a private program. Amazon does not want you to disclose this information. So any back-end things of the Amazon influencer program are not allowed to be shown on social media. So do not flex your earnings at all on social media. You can talk about how much you made, that's fine, but you don't want to show the actual inside of the program. There was a huge influencer who got suspended and deactivated for this, and I don't think she ever got her account back because she kept flexing her earnings all over social media. And then someone from inside of Amazon found out pretty quickly, and then she was gone. So do not do that, because you will end up getting deactivated. And the next thing is Amazon sellers. This is for you guys. You cannot review the products that you are selling on Amazon, because Amazon will catch on. This is shown as double dipping, and it's not allowed. So do not review the products you are selling. It is the fast way to get banned. I've heard of a number of people who've gotten their accounts deactivated for selling and reviewing the same product. So do not make sure there's like a common conflict of interest there. And your seller account will not get deactivated, but your influencer account, because you are violating influencer terms of service by doing that. And the next thing is, do not use foul language or slang. Act like you're talking to your boss in the video. So, just make sure you refrain from using slang or curse words. It's a family-friendly platform. They don't want any curse words in their videos. And the next thing is, you do not want to mention price, or if you got the product on sale, that will get your video rejected. So you can't say, I got this for $50, and you can't say, oh, I got this on sale 25% off. Do not say that, because that basically just shows that might deter a customer from buying, because they don't have the specific deal or the price that's the same. So do not mention anything about the price. You can say it's budget friendly, or you can say it's like a premium product, but don't mention anything about the price. That will get your video rejected. And the next thing, these last few things will get your videos rejected. They will not get you banned from the program, but do not give medical advice. So an example that my video got rejected for doing this. So I talked about my ACL surgery in the video. Huge no-no. I got like this knee brace from a company, and I reviewed it, and I mentioned something about my ACL surgery in the video. So that was a huge, huge no-no, and that automatically got a flag. They kept getting rejected over and over again. So just try not to give any kind of medical advice. And this would basically just being like, oh, like this really will help your arm like heal or something like that. Like, do not say anything about that. And another thing is, you cannot guarantee results. So do not guarantee any kind of results. So if you're reviewing like a supplement product, do not say this product will change your life, or this product's going to get you abs. Like, do not guarantee any kind of results like that. That will get your video rejected 100%. And this is a mistake. And this next one is a mistake that I've made on accident without even realizing. So if you guys just are conscious of this, it will help. So you cannot disclose any personal information in the videos. So this is why I recommend keeping your background and your videos completely plain. So make sure you're only reviewing just put all your products on a table or something like that and make sure nothing's on the table. But I had like boxes in the background, and then there was like barcodes and then shipping labels, and the video caught that, or the people caught that were reviewing the video, and they immediately flagged it, and it kept getting rejected because my address was on one of the box labels. So do not do that. That's a huge no-no. It will get your videos rejected. And we got two more here. So only tag one product per video. I know a person who got in trouble for doing this. He tagged multiple different private label products, different brands and stuff like that, got his account audited, and that actually ended up having him delete a bunch of videos and stuff like that and had to relist all of these videos with one tag. So make sure you're only tagging one product per video, one ASIN for Amazon sellers out there, only one ASIN per video. That will help you avoid having that issue happen. The last one is make sure your videos have good video and audio quality. So shooting with your iPhone is completely fine. Just make sure there's no glare or anything like that. Try to shoot your videos during the daytime, stuff like that, because that will get your video rejected if the quality is really poor. And audio will also get your video rejected. Make sure the audio is clear. The iPhone microphone is completely fine. Just make sure there's no background noise. Like, do a voiceover or something like that if you're recording videos while your family's around, because it will get your videos rejected if they hear people talking in the background or like a washing machine going off. So yeah, these are all the common mistakes that people make that get their videos rejected, or even worse, get their accounts suspended and deactivated. So make sure you do not do any of these things, or else you will run into a lot of problems with the Amazon Influencer Program. So if you listen to this, you'll have no problem scaling the program to thousands per month, as long as you're consistent with it and then upload as many videos as you can. So hope you guys got some value from this video, and thank you guys for watching. As always, if you did though, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. See you guys on the next one.